buddy? You don't look alright. You look jacked up. You can't see me, can you? His eyes messed up on this side. Should be fine though. Look at her. You bad. You see him? So you flapping around like, no, Callie. Callie. No. 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 This not your food. This is whatever. So I saw that bird. It was literally in the middle of the road. And I was like, this dumb bird won't get out the road. Thought it was gonna fly away. And it didn't. It didn't. He had to have ran into a car or got hit by a car, either or, I'm assuming. It looked like he probably had ran into a car. His leg was all twisted and his neck was all like all crooked. So yeah, I'm pretty sure he ran into a car. I was like, dang, that's crazy. I'm glad that Haley did want to help him though. Kind of feel bad about that, you know? I don't know. That little defenseless bird needed help, you know? All right, whoa. Muffin, get out the way. All right, so it's the next day and we're gonna take him back where we found him at. And hopefully, let's sit you up there, he'll be all right. When we got him, he wasn't doing anything. It was just sitting still. Haley could just pick him up. So today he's flapping around and stuff. See, whoa, let's see. Like I said, we gotta take him back because Callie is definitely about to eat him or her or whatever it is. So we're about to take him back. Y'all ready? What are you?
Get that open. Okay. Does it get out?
You still recording? Yeah. Let's see if it get out. You don't know how to get out, bro? I know you're gonna scare me when I try to let you out. Go ahead. Get out. Apparently. There you go. Oh, you still hurt, huh? It should be fine. At least you're trying. But in my heart, I understand. Hope a cat don't get you. See you later, buddy. I feel so far removed. You are the one thing in my way. 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 What'd you say? Oxalis? Oh yeah. These eggs look nice. What else is walking up here? Look at these magnolias. These are, oh, that's pretty. This is a giant magnolia, I think. Not really sure. One of them. Well, that's nice. I was covering the sun up from it, so it stopped. Let's see. Let's see. See? That's cool.